Welcome to another Item Inc. video tutorial. If you depend on your printer, depend on us. If your Xerox Phaser 3300 MFP is displaying door open or fuser door open, even though both the doors are closed, you may need to replace the high voltage power supply. The part number is 105N02120. The high voltage power supply contains several switches and sensors which can go bad and cause these errors. So let's get started. First, power off and unplug the machine. Remove the paper tray. Open the front door and squeeze in the sides to remove it. Open the rear door. Unhook the green door stopper and open the door completely. Remove the 4 screws in the fuser assembly. Pull the fuser out and around the door stopper. Close the rear door. Remove the duplexer. Now gently place the machine on its front side. Remove the pickup roller by lifting the small notch and sliding it out from the shaft. Remove the white locker. Slide the pickup assembly shaft out and remove the white cam and the black plastic bushing. Unscrew the 2 screws that hold in the duplex guide. To pull the duplex guide out, you may need to remove the feed roller. To unplug the guide, you will have to remove the white plastic piece holding the cable in place. Now unthread the wires and unplug and remove the duplex guide. Unscrew the high voltage power supply by removing the 7 screws around the sides of the assembly and the 2 screws on the inside. Remove the white gear by lifting up on the plastic tab and pulling it off the shaft. Now lift the high voltage power supply up and around the shaft. There are 3 cables on the right side you must unplug. The top one must be unclipped to unplug it. Next, remove the last cable on the left side and lift the high voltage power supply out of the machine. Place the new power supply close to the printer and plug in the 4 cables. Seat the high voltage power supply around the shaft and cable making sure the switch sits on top of the actuator. Reinstall the white gear and screw in the 9 screws. To reattach the duplex guide, you must slide the right side into a small hole located behind the cable. Now slide the exit roller in place. You will need to turn it until it slides all the way in. Screw in the 2 screws. Plug in the connector and tuck the cable away. Screw in the white plastic piece. Slide the pickup assembly shaft in with the white cam and black plastic bushing. Attach the white locker. Slide in the pickup roller while turning it until it clicks into place. Carefully place the printer upright. Open the rear door and reinstall the fuser. Screw in the 4 screws. Lift the rear door and reattach the door stopper. Reinstall the duplex unit. And reinstall the front door. Reinstall the paper tray. And plug in and power on the machine. And that's it. Your machine should now be working properly. To order this part, or any of your printer needs, please log on to www.iteminc.com. That's www.iteminc.com. For free technical support, give us a call at 1-800-367-4836.